Here is how you can find and locate Steam game saves in 2026. First possibility is to open Steam and go to the game page from the library. Then click on this icon. Then click Manage, then browse Local Files. This opens the game's installation folder. Most Steam games do not store save files here, but some indie or older games do. Always check for folders called Saves or Save Game. The second possibility is to go to the C drive, then Program Files x86, then Steam, then Userdata. This is where Steam Cloud saves are stored. Each long number is a Steam account, and inside it, every numbered folder represents a game. If a game uses Steam Cloud, your save files are usually here. The third possibility is to go to the C drive, then Users, then your username, then Documents, then My Games. Many games store save files in the Documents folder, often inside a My Games folder or a folder with the game name. This is very common for big WA games. The fourth possibility is to click on the Windows button +R, then type %appdata%, then click Enter. This opens the AppData roaming folder. Some Steam games store saves here, usually inside a folder with the game name or the developer name. If you don't see anything, go back and check Local and Local-O. The fifth possibility is to click on Windows +R, then search for %LocalAppData%. This is one of the most common save locations. Many modern Steam games, especially Unreal Engine games, store saves here inside a Saved or Save Games folder. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.